I need a mask. It's really not a good idea. Get all that out. Then I just take a chisel and a mallet. And I come in and just get the rest of it. Routers are loud and messy, and I just cheat a little bit. This is this questionable spot right there. Big knot.